Summer, what's this?
Pineapple.
This one.
Bingo.
This one?
Bingo.
No, that's not bingo. What's this? Pa?
Pa-
What's this?
Papaya.
Papaya. No, it's papaya.
Papaya.
Okay, what's this?
Melon.
Yes, watermelon. How about this one? What's this?
Banana.
This one?
Kiwi.
Strawberry. And how about this one? What's this?
Can.
Pumpkin. This one? Louder. Garlic. What's this?
Carrot.
Oh, this one.
Onion.
Onion. How about this one?
Broccoli.
Very good. Broccoli. Where's the eggplant?
Tea.
Yes. How about this one? What's this?
Carrot.
Carrot. Let's go to the animals. Show me where is the rhinoceros, okay? Wait lang, wait. Oh, what's this?
I hate it.
Rhinoceros.
This one Novi.
Oh, how about this one? What's this? Cat. This one. Summer, look at me. What's this? What's this? Dog. How about this one? What's this? Giraffe. This one. Look at mommy. What's this?
Yeah.
What?
Giraffe.
No, what's this?
Giraffe.
No. What's this, Summer? Look at this. What's this? It's an animal. What kind of animal is this? Zebra. Oh, this one. Pig. How about this one? What's this? Huh? Louder. Elephant. Very good. This one.
Horse.
Horse. This one. Kangaroo. Very good. How about this one?
Tiger.
Tiger. This one. It's a moo moo. What's this? Cow. Cow. Where's the hippopotamus? Where's hippopotamus? Very good. Where is the lion? No, there's a lion up high there. See? Yeah, there's a lion. What's this? No, it's a bear. This one, what's this? Very good.